it's Cassie here from Modern Marketing Spark. Just got a quick Twitter tip for you today. Now if you're tracking trends, which I definitely recommend you do because you can keep up with what people are talking about, and that's a brilliant way for you to get involved in the conversation. News and topical items are always a really good thing to talk about on social media. But I just want to show you what you can do. If you notice, I've got here worldwide trends. So these are topics that are trending throughout the world. You can actually click here and you can change this. So if I wanted, I could just have a look at the UK trends, or even I could trend within a particular city, but I'm just going to look at UK. And what's interesting is you'll notice some of the trends are the same. So for example, Fly Friday, that's the same, but most of these are different. So you can go in and you can have a bit of a play around. You can just have a look and see what's happening in London in terms of Twitter trends. And this works really well if there's a big event going on or something that you're following. So have a little bit of a play with that. I'm going to put mine back to United Kingdom. So that is my tip for today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.